Alrighty, I have a really cool video for you guys today, depending on how you're going to take this, but it is official. We are here to talk about the one thing that has been rumored for a long time now, and Canada's Wonderland has had Kingswood grayed out on the map for quite some time, to be honest. So it's been very evident that this was coming and that this was going to happen. But I had to take us back a couple of years. And by a couple of years, I mean like 4 years ago, when this footage that you're looking at right now was filmed. So these are land surveyors. And what they're doing here is surveying the land so that Canada's Wonderland or Six Flags or Cedar Fair at the time could go and basically give this footage over in very dumbed down terms to a company that will then develop it into whatever kind of ideas that Canada's Wonderland is looking to develop it into. If that's a hotel, if that's a roller coaster, if that's a flat ride, if it's a garden, if it's a water park, if it's a whatever. That company will take that information and develop it into the ideas that Canada's Wonderland has for that plot of land. So back then, we basically watched them with all those stickers that you see there, the surveying stickers. They go and bounce those lasers off them, create this 3D world, and a company like Intamin or RMC or GCI or B&M or a hotel company will go in and develop and design whatever Wonderland is asking for. Well, now we have destruction. Sorry, that was a little dramatic. We have them removing the actual Kingswood buildings that led into this area. So the main Kingswood sign was just taken down. I suspect the ticket booth will be next, followed by the other little gated sign over there. And the tent has been starting to get cut up. It was cut up about 2 weeks ago, furthermore, the tent. And some construction fencing has been getting dropped off in the area as well. A lot of it, actually, if you look at that. So currently, Kingswood has been used for storage. So Wonderland stores a lot of older things they no longer need. The ice rink, haunted houses, old trains, Behemoth trains in the off season. They kind of store it in that area. So that's going to be a whole ordeal in itself, figuring out if they're going to move that stuff or if that section of the tent's even going to be utilized for whatever they're working on here. Maybe they're just going to demolish this section, that front gate section there. But there are definitely some signs, if you look around, that this area is possibly going to be developed into something. So it is very exciting. It's a little sad to see old history get removed. Kingswood was such an important kind of role in Paramount Canada's Wonderland's history or the park's history. It's a venue that can seat 18,000. I think in my last video I said 40,000 and someone commented, please, it could barely seat 18,000. Well, that person's right. It's 15 to 18,000 capacity. I said 40. I'm sorry. But I remember I actually first saw Lady Gaga before she was like famous at Z103 Summer Rush in Kingswood. So it's crazy to see, through the eras that it is now here, and they're starting to demolish sections of Kingswood. So we'll be keeping our eyes peeled to this area because, as you guys know, on this channel, we're kind of painting a picture that this is the next area of development. Again, I have a lot of reasonings for that. I incorporated the 3 to 4 years ago footage in today's video for a reason. Them surveying this plot of land and this section of the park heavily with a lot of survey markings. As well as it being in a section of the park that is so underutilized in terms of spreading guests out throughout the park. So it's definitely like a very core area of the park that has the plumbing and the restaurant and the utilities all back here already for significant upgrades and development as well. So they wouldn't even be having to lay new like electrical lines. They would essentially for some areas, but there is a lot of electrical plumbing. They even got washrooms back there that they used for Kingswood. So it's definitely a section of the park that it can 100% benefit the park and the chain in utilizing and developing. And you all know that they sent out surveys for either a mock extreme spinner or a world record breaking RMC. And I'm leaning more towards the world record breaking RMC that would be developed in this plot of land, because when you measure it and compare it, it's actually slightly larger than Steel Vengeance's plot of land when utilized to its full capacity. So definitely very exciting. It could go down either way. It could be a mock extreme spinner. It could be a RMC. It comes down to what those survey results were and what Six Flags ends up deciding. But it is very evident that Six Flags and Canada's Wonderland are looking to develop World Expo as the next core area. And you're going to see lots of signs of that. As you can even just see on the drone spotting that World Expo is starting to receive some love and care. And I think the next major coaster is 100% going to be in the Kingswood area, and it's going to be really fun to watch that take shape. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoy the journey because Canada's Wonderland has given us the green light to cover this section of the park. So that's really exciting. I was not expecting that. This was on Patreon, and then I kind of got the green light to post about it because it's great out on the map, and it's gonna be very obvious when the park opens. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a good one. Bye.